Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt from V2 Visionary. And with all the big inch motor builds being done today and high horsepower builds, it's really important to keep that motor oiled. And when you have big inch stuff, sometimes the stock oil pump is not going to do a very good job. A couple American companies are making better, bigger oil pumps, one of them being S&S, and we've had some pretty good luck with these. As you can see, it's really nicely made, machined in America, put together in America, and anodized blue in America, the S&S color. They're available for just about any V-twin motor you can dream of. S&S is, as we know, 50-something years old now, and they wouldn't be around if they were making junk parts, bottom line.